Hello and welcome back. We are just continuing along in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 153. Let's start with this box here. Looks like we're missing 5, 6, and 7. Got a 7 there. So 5, 6, 7 there. So 5, 6. That means our 7 has to be here. For this column, looks like we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got the 5 here, so 4, 6, no help here, 4, 5, 6, and no help here, 4, 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 5 here. So 6, 8, and no help here, so 5, 6, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 4, 5, 6, and 7. We've got the 5 there, so 4, 6, 7. We've got the 7 covering all these. So that means that our 7 has to be here. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 6, 6 here, so 4, 5, and no help here, so 4, 5, 6. For this row, looks like we're missing 4, 5, 6, and 9. We've got the 9 covering here and this 9 covering here. So our 9 has to be here. We've got a 6 here. So 4, 5, and no help here. 4, 5, 6. For this row, looks like we're missing 1, 5, 7, and 8. We've got the 7 here. So 1, 5, 8, no help here, 1, 5, 7, 8. We've got the 1 covering these 2 boxes and a 7 here, so 5, 8, and here we've got the 1 and 8, so 5, 7. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 7, 8, and 9. We've got the 7 and 8 here. So 4, 9. 4 and 7 here. So 8, 9. 8 and 9 here. So 4, 7. And a 7 here. So 4, 8, 9. But now if we look back, the only place our 7 can be is here. Let's work on this box. We've got 1, 2, 3, so we're missing 4, 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here. So 4, 5, 8, the 8 here, so 4, 5, 7. If we work on this box, we're missing 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got the 4 here. So 3, 5, 6, 3 and 6 here, so 4, 5, and 3 here, so 4, 5, 6. So it looks like the only place our 3 can be in this box is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 4, 5, 6, and the 1 can't be here or here or here, So this must be our 1. Let's work on this row. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 6, 8, and 9. We've got the 6 here. So 5, 8, 9. Got a 9 here. So 5, 6, 8. An 8 here. So 5, 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 5. We've got the 2 and 4 here. So 1, 5. 2 here. So 1, 4, 5. And a 1 here. So 2, 4, 5. But now if we look, this is the only place our 2 can be for that row. For this box, looks like we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got the 9 there. So 4, 6. And no help here. So 4, 6, 9. I'm just looking back here to see if we can claim any other ones. All right, let's finish off this row. We're missing 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. We've got the 9 and the 4. So 5, 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, 4, 6, 8. We've got the 3 here. So 1, 4, 6, 8. We've got the 6 here. So 1, 4, 8. This one's getting pretty messy, guys. Let's do this row. 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 5, 6, and 8. Got no help here. 4, 5, 6, 8. We've got the 4 here. So 5, 6, 8. But now if we look across that row, the only place our 7 can be is here. That makes this our 5, which makes this our 8. So now we can get rid of this 5. That 5 and 8 make this our 4. So we can get rid of this 4. This 5 and 8 makes this our 1. So this has to be our 7. And let's see, this 1 means we can get rid of this 1. And this 4 means we can get rid of this 4. For this column now we're missing 1, 5, and 6. So I guess we can get rid of that 8 too. And we don't have any help here, so 1, 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, 6, and 8. But the 1 can't be in any of those boxes, so it must be here. And that means we can get rid of this 1. This column, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 8. We've got the 3 and 4 there. So 5, 8. But now I'm looking. I think the only place our 3 could be for that column is there. I'm not sure how I missed that before. And if we look at this box, the only place our 1 can be is here. And that 1 would make this our 5, which makes this our 8. So now we can get rid of this 8. That 5 makes this our 4 and 1. So we can get rid of this 4 and this 4. And we can get rid of this 5, this 5, this 5, this 5. So if we look at this box again, the only place our 8 can be is here. So we can get rid of this 8 and this 8. So the only place for the 8 for this box is here. That makes this our 9, which makes this our 8, 6, 5, 6. Oh, that can't be right. We're missing 4 and 9 still, but we've got a 4 and 9 here. All right. That's it for today's puzzle. Please leave a comment down below if you see where I made a mistake. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.